The quick commerce company Meesho has now emerged as India's best performing large IPO of 2025. The stock has rallied 95% since its listing and has now added 47,000 crore rupees in its market cap or in investor value as well. Remember, the stock of Meesho also rose by nearly 20% in trade today after the brokerage firm UBS gave a buy rating to the company and this e-commerce platform, calling its asset light model as a good model, also strong cash flows and rapid user growth position for its long-term expansion in India's booming online market. Now UBS also gave a target price of 220 rupees on Meesho while it gave a buy rating on this company. Remember, Meesho's current market capitalization stands at 97,600 crore rupees or near $11 billion as well. In fact, the company has added 47,000 crore rupees in investor value after getting listed. It was valued at around 50,000 crore rupees at the upper end of the price band when it came out with the IPO, and just within days of getting listed, 47,000 crore rupees have been added to investors' value. Now, the strong debut that we saw for Meesho at the price of 162 rupees, that was already at a premium of 46% to the issue price. The stock is now trading at 216 rupees as well. This has undoubtedly become the biggest or the best performing large IPO of 2025 of upwards of 5,000 crore rupees. The second or the next IPO after this performance in the listed sphere has been Growws, but Meesho has definitely superseded all of them, but 95% returns in just a few days after getting listed.